Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment on Batu Belig Street and Batu Belig Beach. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on Batu Belig Street and Batu Belig Beach, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update together how the situation at the moment on Batu Belig Street and Batu Belig Beach. And now we are on Batu Belig Street. As we know together, Batu Belig Street is very famous because Batu Belig Street in between Seminyak and Canggu. So that's why usually in this area always busy. There is a lot of car, motorbike drive around in this area. Some people they go to Canggu from Seminyak, or some people from Canggu they go to Seminyak. So that's why in this area is always busy. And also in this area very famous because there is a lot villa and some hotel. But in this area there is not so many souvenir shop. And also you can find some nice restaurant on Batu Belig Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali Van Java. Okay, we can see together. There is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area, isn't it? Left side, right side, there is some villa in this area. And also if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, you can find the video in my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. I put the link down this video. Okay guys, if you see right side and left side, there is some shop are open. And also some restaurant they are open in this area. Actually I'm gonna say like Bali been busy during the Christmas time until the New Year, but then in February Bali getting quiet. I mean like there is not so many domestic tourism come to Bali. But if you go to the Canggu area, there is a lot of tourists staying down there. We'll be busy with the tourists down there. Okay guys, if you want to come to Bali now, we are allowed for 23 countries on government list, so you can visiting Bali without quarantine. But the rule is you must be already complete vaccinated 2 times and 1 booster, so you can fly to Bali without quarantine. And also our country receive for VOA, visa on arrival, and cost is around $35 or 500,000 rupiah. And also if you come to Bali, you have to show you already booking 3-night hotel in Bali. Okay guys, now we are nearby Batu Belig Beach. Left side and right side, there is some villa in this area. You see right side, there is beach club coming soon. Miami, the big one in this area. Okay, you see the front, there is Batu Belig Beach. Okay, you see the weather today? It's so beautiful, isn't it? You can see the water is very clear, I mean very blue. And also the sky is so blue, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, let's see together how busy this beach today on Tengah Beach. Because at the end of this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment on some cafe beside Batu Belig Beach. Yeah, look very quiet, isn't it? There is some people playing surfing, but still look very quiet. Okay guys, now I will take you drive around. I will show you how busy some cafe beside Batu Belig beach. You see right side? Yeah, there's some cafe there. Yeah, some motorbike parking. It means like some people there in cafe. Actually, this cafe is also very beautiful if you come to this area in the afternoon, so you can enjoy the sunset and drink a cold beer bintang. Yeah, there is some cafe, but there is not so many bike today. I mean, like there is not so many people going to the beach. But in afternoon, there for sure there will be more people going to the beach to see the sunset. You see the beach? It is so beautiful, isn't it? The water is so blue. Okay. At the front left side, there is more cafe. Side the beach. Yeah, there is some more bike parking there and some people in cafe. Looks so busy in this cafe. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. And I hope this video will give you an information about how the situation at the moment in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.